Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So in this video, I just want to come on here and show you guys how I do my eyebrows. A lot of people have been asking me, especially when I post my Instagram posts, how I do my eyebrows. Now there is an eyebrow tutorial already on my channel, but it's really old and I was using my old camera. So now that I have a new and better camera, I'm gonna do an updated eyebrow routine and I hope that you guys like it. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then definitely keep on watching. What's the point in buying an expensive brow product when you can find one at Walmart for $6 and it does the same thing? The product that I use is Revlon Dark Brown Color Stay Brow Pencil. It just looks like this. This is my holy grail brow product. I use this religiously every single freaking day. It just looks like this. It's a skinny pencil, very nice and portable, good for traveling. Alright, the crayon on one side, and then they have a spoolie on the other side. So it's really like the Anastasia brow pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see my eyebrows and what we're working with today. So I'm just gonna say now my eyebrows are not perfect. So first step is to brush your brows up. Then you just want to take the crayon. You want to follow your natural brow shape like I'm doing. Follow your natural brow shape. And then for the bottom, you can start at the end or you can start at the beginning. And then you want to do the same for the top. But really lightly, because you don't want to make this too thick. I did this already, and now I'm re-recording my brow tutorial. Just want to follow your natural brow shape. And I'm creating like a fake little arch right here because my eyebrow stops. And then you're just filling it in, literally. You're filling in the rest. And at the beginning, you just want to make sure you fill it in a little bit naturally. Like, just using the pencil to naturally, like, make some fake hairs or so. And then you're using the brush. You're constantly brushing, alright, guys? We want this to be nice and natural. And it's okay if your eyebrows don't look perfect because we are going to go ahead and clean this up with concealer. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my other eyebrow. Again, I'm just brushing it up and then following my natural brow shape. And you just want to make the beginning really natural. I'm using the brush to brush everything out. Alright, so now that our eyebrows look very boxy, they need help. That's what you want your eyebrows to look like. You want them to look like they're about to meet up and they need help and they're about to collide. So next up, I'm going to be taking MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NW40.